Ag PhD full episodes and more are now available on Acres TV, the newest ag platform connecting you to fields of information. Look for us on watchacrestv.com.
Each winter, Darren and I host a series of free Ag PhD winter workshops. This year, on January 14th, we've got an Ag PhD Naturals workshop. We wanted to talk about that a little bit today.
Well, the natural products are definitely one of those categories in the ag industry that we get the most questions about. There's so many different things happening out there, and to a lot of farmers, it's brand new ideas, brand new stuff, and they're hoping for a little help sorting things out. We do a lot of testing on our farm and across the region, and we've got a lot of data to share.
Okay, so what we mean by naturals is it's the biological market, but then also plant growth hormones, amino acids. There are just a lot of different things, fulvics, humics, you name it. We kind of lump that all into this category that we call naturals. There's a big push in our country and really around the world to get away from synthetic pesticides, and people are out there looking for natural options, things that already exist somewhere in nature, and we're just going to take them from wherever they're at now and use them in our crops and get some benefit out of them. That's what we talk about at our naturals workshop.
Well, what's pretty exciting for 2025 is many of these naturals cost $2 or $5. So you could get a really nice boost for your crop without having to spend a whole bunch of money, and that makes for a nice return on investment for you.
Yeah, but here's the problem. A lot of people believe that all these products are snake oil. Now, I'm not going to disagree that some of them may be snake oil, but I will tell you there's a lot of science behind many of the different naturals products out there, in part because if you look at around the world, just stop and think about it for a second, the great big ag chemical companies, they see what's going on. They're not dumb. They say, you know, instead of investing all our dollars into synthetic pesticides, let's take a whole bunch of our resources and try to find a lot of these naturals products, and then we're going to thoroughly test them, get great formulations and everything else. So they're pouring money into it. You're going to find governments, private companies pouring money into this. So it is kind of exciting. There are some good options. You just have to figure out where exactly to use them and when to use them.
Well, you're exactly right. And in our own program, whether it's on our corn or soybeans or alfalfa or small grains, we're using naturals all the time. So we've found a number of products that really do work. We'll talk about those, and we'll talk about some of the new ones on the market coming up at the Ag PhD Naturals Workshop. You can find all the details at agphd.com.
Well, one of the things we won't be talking about that day is our Weed of the Week, but we'll share with you today how to get it under control. That's coming up later in the show.